All right, we're here with our 1959 Sorg runabout 15-footer Willow. Got her on her nice trailer that Eddie English made for her. And she's getting ready to take a trip north here. A few days, few weeks, whenever we can find a good shipper to tow her up there, or else we'll take her on one of our trips up. But today we're flushing the motor. Took her off the lift, got her out of salt water, so giving the motor a freshwater flush. Probably take her by our Suzuki dealer, maybe get a new impeller, have them change the oil, get her all tuned up before we hit the road. Had a little bit of rain, so we had some rainwater in the Bilge, so we took our quarter cable cordless shop vac. We like the cordless so we don't have electrical extension cords running through situations like this, playing around the water. Vacuumed it out, and then I took the hose and reversed it. I've got the exhaust running down. Gonna dry that out a little bit before we put the cover back on. Hooked up the water muff to the water inlet. Started the water, cranked the motor. Now we're looking for this little stream of water right here coming out. These motors do have a thermostat, so you got to run them long enough for the thermostat to open, let the water circulate through. It's been going about 8 minutes, and you can check this stream coming out, see if it's warm or not. Still kind of cool. Been going about 8 minutes, so we'll let it run a little bit longer. And take a look. We'll put some tie downs there to the trailer, up to this aft tie down point here. Got it tied at the bow, and that's about all she'll need to go down the road. These trailers are built with nice support bunks under the stringers, and just a little bit of support under the keel, and that ought to get her to Virginia. She's ready to go. If y'all are coming through Pensacola, headed that way, want some gas money plus a little bit extra, just give us a holler. Give Willow a ride. Talk to you soon.